McKinney, watch Markle. Look at Jamie Markle on the inside for second place, ladies and gentlemen. Holy moly, that young lady's on fire. Good luck catching Madno. That's the dude to beat. But Jamie Markle, that young lady on fire so far this afternoon. Oh, we got the yellow out as the 12. Your reigning champ, Mr. Braylon Martin, in the number 1. Punch a chicken. Here we go. Your second Outlaw Kart heat race. Braylon Martin and Horn. Out of turn 4. Punch it chicken. Green flag is out for your Dwarf car heat race. Wow, caught some dust coming out of 1. 1 was very dirty. Rolling out of turn 3, going into 4, looking as sexy as some trucks look on a Saturday night. Here they come, punch a chicken, your American race trucks. It's a good question up here in the pool. Lovely hula lady said, well, so what kind of differentiates everything? What are we looking at? Again, competitive, close combat racing. Boy, I'd like to see a whole bunch of these trucks out here. If you know a driver, if you know an owner of these trucks, let them know, hey, Havasu 95 Speedway, they're trying to bring it back. Bring your stuff out, man. Let's go. As they go into turn number 3, Mark Allison on the low side, Austin Varco on the high side. Punch a chicken out of 4. Varco still leading this thing. Nice close combat racing. Boy, this is fun. If you're not impressed, if you're not entertained, go ahead and go home now, because it's only going to get better from here on out this evening. That was a good 1 and 2, ladies and gentlemen. Coming at you in 3 and 4. Allison still looking on the bottom side. Mark Allison, foot by foot, inch by inch, working on Austin Varco, and Allison is catching him. Going into 3, Mark Allison working the bottom side. Austin Varco giving it all it's got, but new leader at the line, ladies and gentlemen, Mark Allison. Allison now steps away. Mark Allison. Darren Kearns working the backside of Brendan Schilling, trying to put himself up on the podium in the Curtis Burns truck, and might get it this time out of 2. Big bad Darren Kearns working for the 3rd spot, but ladies and gentlemen, your main event winner going to be Mr. Mark Allison. Austin Varco, punch it chicken. All right, let's get it on. This one is slated for 87 laps. Yes, indeed. All right. Zayden Davis catching the draft along the crash wall on the front straightaway, but watch out underneath. Here comes the 11. White flag is out. Leader going by. The 11 has been strong the entire race. I've been watching times here. Checkered flag comes out now, ladies and gentlemen. Yes! Indeed. Is their Route 66 100-year anniversary. God bless America. Let's get on into it, though. Your Dwarf, Mini Dwarf Masters main event for a Saturday night here at Havasu 95 Speedway. Regan Logston doing a good job keeping Planty to the rear. In that second spot, Regan Logston, sponsored by the Spot Pizza and Arcade, Beauty Slayers Salon, and Static Power Coating. Planty punches it chicken down the gym tree straight away and says, I'm the new leader. And now new leader Jack Planty the third. But your leader is also 8 years old too. Regan Logston, 8 years old. Checkered flag out. Ladies and gentlemen, how about that for your Mini Dwarf Masters main event? He said, now the green comes out. What is even going on? Woo! It's a Saturday night. Oh, mercy, Lord. I think we should just totally restart the whole thing. That should be a full restart because green flag looks like it came out. From up here in the pool, it looks like the black flag. So I think the whole entire field should just pull over for itself. I don't think so, Jamie Markle. Whew, she's quick tonight. Meanwhile, look in turn one as the leader starting to catch the tail end. Madden. The Screaming Eagle. Oh, we got one around and 4, and the yellow is out. Ah, goodness gracious. I should really step it up. Green flag is back out, ladies and gentlemen. Madden McKinney said, tell all the bad dad jokes you want, dude. You're not my dad, and your jokes suck. Jamie Markle, though, still that second place boy. That young lady's holding them off. She's under fire each and every lap, and she's doing a great job of keeping everybody behind her. Yellow back out. Looking this time to the flag. Green flag comes out. Then McKinney says, I was ready for that. Markle, really good restart by Jamie Markle. Trying to keep Churko behind her. Oh, and they caught her. Looks like Cobb went around on the high side. See if we can get the Screaming Eagle up here maybe later this evening. A lot of times he'll come up and we'll talk to him after the race. Oh, we got one wide, 2. Yellow comes out. So leader's coming around. The older I get, the more adults I need in the pool, yes. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I hope everybody sees the high-vis T-shirts on track safety. Just to see if they really are as safe as we think they are. Green flag is back out. Punch it, little chickens. And Madden McKinney says, I'm going to come up and watch that, dude. White flag is out now for Madden McKinney. Screaming Eagle coming around. He says, what have you guys been doing? You knew you were supposed to beat me, but you couldn't. Main event winner, Mr. Madden McKinney. Starts on the pole position. This one's slated for 20 laps. Tickets online starting Monday at 8 a.m. and I'm just going to throw this out there, probably not past 9:30 will there be any tickets available. So Havasu95speedway.com. Get your tickets there for our night of destruction. Speaking of our night of destruction, this is just a preview of the destruction that will be going on our night of destruction. Oh, punch and chicken. Let's get it right on. All right. I like the calls this evening. Coming out of turn number 2, the 19 had issues. It's the 19 Ashton Martin. I spent so much money at spring break. Oh, no, that's Pierce Weaver doing a fantastic job in that Barrett Custom Marine. Lap traffic. That's what's going to be interesting. Oh, tornado goes around. Taylor Horn tapped the back of maybe Braylon Martin. And that sent her to the tail of the lead lap. Look at your leader, though. Boy, he's got a 2 coming down the back straightaway into 3, doing a fantastic job. Oh, and then stuffed the tornado in 1 and 2 as the tornado tried to stick it there underneath. Pierce said, no. Champ. So That's where Pierce Weaver is going to have to get a little better. Weaver, though, last lap flat. Whoa, oh, man. So that's why we have to blow him up like that. Green flag back out, punch a chicken. Pierce Weaver got the memo real quick. He said, Pierce takes the white flag. And looks like Pierce Weaver going to take the checkered flag and put Grandma a little bit more in debt. Damon Sheets with a nice lead on Mike Cash. Cash has a mirror, now a side view mirror full of John Harris. John Harris moves past Cash. Cash going to try to come back on it, but Harris says, nope, once I get in front of you, I'm zooming on by. 3 races at each to determine the champion. And Damon Sheets now getting into lap traffic. That's going to help John Harris as they go into 3 and 4. Harris better make a way around Sheets because Mike Cash is coming. Down to tonight's main event, ladies and gentlemen. 25 laps to completion as the leaders come by start-finish line this time by, ladies and gentlemen, to start. 3 laps to go. New leader as they go by, ladies and gentlemen, John the Madman Harris. We got 1 around, 2 around in 1 and 2, ladies and gentlemen. Punch it, chicken. Here's the green flag, green, white, checkered for your Dwarf car main event. John Harris leading Damon Sheets, Mike Cash in third. White flag is out. John Harris in the 65. Damon Sheets right on his back bumper in the 89D. Sheets pressing the issue. Harris doing a good job of keeping it behind him. Contact behind, but gonna be John Harris, your main event winner. Damon Sheets second, Mike Cash third. All righty, ladies and gentlemen, it is time for your factory stock main event, ladies and gentlemen. Here comes the Sam Nickel Electrical Factory Stocks Punch It Chicken. We got 1 around under its own power. We should stay green. Ladies and gentlemen, Andrew Anderson and Traffic Candy on the high side, Kevin McKinney on the low. They go 3 wide into 3. Woo! They come 3 wide out of 4. Oh, we got it coming out of 4. Anderson into the 05 of Chris Patterson, and we are yellow. Saw that one manifesting itself at the end. Hopefully McKinney sees it. They should probably split it like a cone, so no big worries there, but we go yellow. And then Traffic Candy says, I don't care what jokes you want to talk. Let's punch it, chicken. Here comes the green flag. Back to laps that count. But tonight, everybody's chasing Kevin McKinney, who's not in a wagon, but the wagon right there within just a second. Traffic Candy took his own line there. It was an interesting line he took that last lap. Now Traffic Candy going to try to work the high side of McKinney. Has McKinney and Kearns, or excuse me, Traffic Candy and Kearns going to have to do something different than McKinney is doing right now. Patterson is going to move out of their way. Leaders coming. Kearns is jumping on. backs up on that one as Mr. McKinney, Kevin McKinney, said, no, you got to follow me. He's working under Anderson. Kearns sees it. Kearns got a little heavy into 1 and 2, and now he's getting a good drive. They go 3 wide on the back straightaway for a second. Kearns still working on the back bumper. McKinney doing a good side. Kevin McKinney as they come by to take the white flag. Big bad Darren Kearns on the outside. Kevin McKinney on the low side. Big bad Darren Kearns on the high side. Ed Trafficani there in third. And Tom Gray, the Gray Ghost there, sitting in fourth. Kearns punches it chicken. Does he have anything for McKinney, ladies and gentlemen? Checkered flag comes out. Kevin McKinney in the 247. Punch it chicken. Here come the modifieds. Your final main event of the evening here at Havasu 95 Speedway. And fast Eddie Secord leads this esteemed field of modified drivers. This one slated for 50 laps to completion. Cut about 1,000th of a second off. We'll continue to watch the times up here in the pool at Havasu 95 Speedway. Yes, we are still in the pool. Really nice floaties that I got for my birthday. Yes, indeed. Thank you. Fast Eddie Secord still leading Grandpa Larry Gershman. In fact, he's extended his lead by about 0.4 of a second to 2.06. Stephen Brucker, your reigning champ in third. Garrett Wallace, Mark Allison, and Brian Williams rounding out the field. The only multiple championships in one season winner, that was in 23-24 and 24-25. Won multiple championships in one season here. And he's trying to do it again. Eddie Secord trying to put him down, though. Eddie Secord trying to say, I want that modified championship. Last lap for Fast Eddie Secord. Fast Eddie Secord rolling into 3 now. In the middle of 3 and 4, ladies and gentlemen, main event winner tonight, Fast Eddie Secord. In your 602 modifieds, Grandpa Larry Gershman going to come in second. Stephen Brucker going to come in third. We will see if that's enough for a three-peat on the championship.